Hello and welcome back to my channel of Retail Analysis. If you guys are new to my channel, then please hit that subscribe button and also click on the bell icon so you guys can receive regular updates from my end and you guys do not miss on any of the profits that we make on a regular basis. So now let us continue with the discussion of the gold analysis from where we left off yesterday. So when we were discussing the XAUUSD pair yesterday, market was trending over here. We marked this area as an area of short-term support and this area as an area of short-term resistance. You guys can see that our support was not tested initially, but our resistance was tested over here. Then as soon as the market gave us a good selling signal over here, then we guys could go short. So for example, if we would go short over here, our stop loss would be approximately just above this candle and our take profit would still be running with a profit of 2.4%. Then afterwards, we had another opportunity to sell over here when market closed below our area of support over here. So if we take this entry, we would be running in a profit of approximately 0.8%. And then afterwards, market once again entered above and in our area of support and closed above our area, for instance, over here. But if we take buy entry over here, that would be even a more risk because the previous candle was a bigger candle and it had closed below. So I would have preferred to stay out, but still, if you guys would have taken a buy entry over here, then you guys would have hit your stop loss in the next two candles. But if you guys were vigilant and you guys can would have identified the pattern that market was going down, then you guys could take a sell entry over here. So if you guys would enter a sell entry over here, the stop loss will be just above this candle and the take profit will be still running with a profit of 1.7%. Okay. And then afterward once again market closed below our area of support and then we guys could take another short entry over here where our stop loss will be just above this candle and this would trade would also be still running in a profit of 1.1%. Okay, and so now let us move the buying and selling scenarios so we can better identify the areas from where we have to buy or sell gold. So over here and the area of resistance will be this area and this will be the area of resistance. So now let us move these scenarios forward so you guys can easily do trading tomorrow. And if you guys would like to know anything further, just let me know in the comment section and I will definitely try to get back to you guys as soon as possible. And if you guys would like to know anything in terms of trading psychology, just let me know in the comment section and I will try my best to get to you guys on that subject matter as well, so you guys do not have any confusion in that regard. Okay, so just follow these scenarios and this given key and I hope that you guys will be making good profit tomorrow as well. Meanwhile, just hit that like and subscribe button and also share it with more people so more people can benefit. Thank you. I will see you guys tomorrow with fresh scenarios. Thank you.